Hello guys, I gotta make the video very quick. But guys, it is raining outside in the first day of June. But look, it is raining outside. This is bad. And look in the backyard too. This is everywhere. This is bad. It is very loud raining, like a flood, foggy outside. Kinda looks like it, but we don't do floody in Kansas. This is bad. And you can see one of my cat homes in there, but look. So called my neighbor's house, look. This is bad. Sorry. I know Kitty became my pillow because Oakley broke the blinds. And look up the sky too in my kitchen. This is bad. This is everywhere. It's thundering outside. I hope my mom's gonna be home for a while. She can see it's raining outside very bad. Okay, I decided to make a quick video, and this video is request whatever his name is. See ya.